Look at that. Look at that. Just found that right on the surface, man. Gold. It says Alexis on it. 585. It says 585 on it. Just right on the surface. My camera battery died right when Jim came over, and yeah, right on the surface. Right. Sounds like foil, right? Show you what it reads up at here. 42, 44, right? I am discriminated to 44 here. See? I'm discriminated to 44. This is the reason why I discriminate to 44. I have very little gold that reads up below 44. It's mainly foil, right? I have a few small gold rings and some, of course, necklaces. But this is reading at 44 there. Super lucky that I hit on that right there. Very lucky. There's some gold right there. I'm really not finding much in this field here. Very few coins, very few targets, period. Right on the surface, gold right there. More gold this month. I found, I don't know how, it feels probably about 6 grams. 6 grams or so. Crazy. Just crazy, man. Jim went over it with his detector too, with the Racer 2, of course, is gonna hit it right on the surface, right? That's exciting, finding some more gold there. That was right on the surface, super easy target, just right baking in the sun, right? Right there, man. Just coming into 44 here. I gotta put my hood up here. My hood's all flopping around in front of my face. There, I need to put my, huh?
Is it still on the ground?
No. I put it in my pocket.
I don't see it hit on this.
I don't know.
I don't either.
Mine was hitting right up 44. That's right where I'm discriminated to.
You got a truck candy coming over here?
Yeah. Yeah, straight up, dude. Gold on the surface, man. This one sounds like a bottle cap or something. Just sounds iron. Bottle cap. I was right. Bottle cap. Yeah, iron. There are just not very many targets here, so yeah, that was exciting.